Student, this is another question based on the relative velocity in a plane. Question is that on a certain day, rain was falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second. A wind started blowing after some time with a speed of 12 meter per second in east to west direction. So in which direction should a boy waiting at a bus stop hold his umbrella? So now see, in this case what will happen, the rain is blowing means the rain is falling vertically, so rain is in motion, but the boy waiting at the bus station is not in motion, he is waiting there, but he is holding one umbrella and wind is blowing. So due to the wind blow, there is effect on the movement of the umbrella when he is holding at the bus station. So you have to find out कि according to the wind direction and according to the rain direction, where should be the direction of the umbrella that he should hold at the bus station. Clear? So here only the two velocity you will consider: velocity of rain, that is VR we have taken, and that direction I am going to draw, that is OA, and this value is 35 meter per second. Rain is always falling vertically downward direction. Okay, so that is why I am drawing the direction of velocity of, that is rain. This is the direction of the velocity of the rain. Okay, this is the direction of velocity of rain. Clear? Now according to question, wind, velocity of wind, that is VW, that direction I am going to take OB, and this is 12 meter per second, and according to question, wind is blowing from east to west. So this is east and this is west and this is north and this is south. So where is the wind blowing? Wind is blowing in this direction. This is the direction of what? VW. Clear? Okay. Now you have got the two vectors, both are perpendicular to each other. Where is the resultant of these two vectors? According to triangle law of vector addition, the resultant will be lying in this direction. Okay. So when you will draw a perpendicular from here and draw a perpendicular from here, okay, so this will be what? This will be the, you can say, the parallelogram law of vector addition you are going to follow, and this is the resultant velocity of these two, and this is the velocity of V we are going to consider. Resultant velocity of these two vectors, this is VR, not VR, we are taking only V because here we have taken VR. Okay, so this is only V. Now this is O, this is the point A, and this is the point B. Clear? So in this condition you have to find out the resultant velocity and the direction of the resultant velocity with any one velocity. So if I am considering the resultant velocity makes angle, that is theta with the direction of VR. Now to calculate the magnitude, how you will calculate? See, magnitude of V vector, that is V is equal to under root of VR square plus VW square plus 2VR VW. What is the angle between VR and VW? 90 degree, cos 90 degree. Okay, this you have taken. Now cos 90 is 0, so V is equal to under root of VR square plus VW square. Now substitute the value. VR, it is given 35 whole square, and VW, it is given 12 whole square. So when you will solve this, you will be getting value of V comes out to be 37 meter per second after solving. Now you have to find out in which direction he should hold the umbrella. So this direction when you will get to see, if I am drawing this, because The boy is waiting here, and rain is falling in this direction and wind is blowing in this direction. So he is holding umbrella like this. Suppose this is the umbrella he is holding. Okay. So if this angle you have got, then you will be getting this angle also, that is theta. This is the direction of the umbrella. This should be the direction of the umbrella, and this should make angle with the vertical direction. So find out direction of B, that is tan theta, that will be equals to, suppose this is AC, so this is AC upon OA, and this comes out to be VW upon VR, and this will be equal to 12 upon 35 because VW 12 and VR 35, and you have got 0.343 value. So tan theta comes out to be 0.343, or you can say theta is equal to tan inverse 0.343. This is the method of solving this question.